Hello, this is Anna Moss from Portfolio Activation Specialist Team, Cisco CX. Welcome to our EA Management series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer licenses between virtual accounts. In order to transfer your licenses from one virtual account to another one, please go to the website software.cisco.com to our Cisco Software Central. Log in into your Smart account. In this case, we are using our test Smart account. Then scroll down a bit, go to the Smart Software Manager portal where your Smart licenses have been deposited. Manage licenses. Then choose Inventory. Choose Licenses. Select the virtual account where your licenses have been deposited. In this case, EA Series 1. Yes, here we can see the 5 licenses for Catalyst 9500, which we would like to transfer. We go under Actions, Transfer. We select the target virtual account. In this case, that would be EA. Switching licenses. We provide the number of the licenses we would like to transfer. 5. And then just click Transfer. Proceed without. And you can see the licenses have been successfully transferred. Let's double check that and go to the EA switching licenses virtual account. Yes, we can see the licenses are already there. Thank you for watching. For any further questions, please reach out to our mailer. Bye!